What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're doing great. So I wanted to show you a little trick I use in interactive brokers, automating my option play so I don't need to stare at the screen and I can have my freedom back when I'm trading, all right? So I took these 17th of November, 436 calls from 352 to 1429. That's over 300% gainer, all automated, all right? So I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So I got filled back on November 8th. For two contracts at 353 each, and I sold it November 17th right into the close for 1429. And each contract I sold for a profit of 1,070. A really nice trade. So first, let's talk about the strategy. You guys know I love trading Fibonacci. So I ended up going long right here, guys. But the trick is I set this trade up an hour in advance, and once I got filled, the fill was automatic. All right. And I used the 435 level as a round psychological level in order to enter my trade using interactive brokers. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to walk into Trader Workstation to show you how to set that up. Okay. So here I am in the paper trading account. And what you want to do here, guys, go to your watch list and you can just type in SPY. In this case, that's what I traded, and go to the options, and you can select any options that you want to get involved in. For me, I like to do one strike out of the money and 2 weeks of expiry, so I have enough time for the swing trade to play out. So let's say we want to use this right here. Then once you load it, just right click and hit the order ticket. So when I use SPY, I like to use market orders to fill me right away because the bid and the ask spread is not that bad. So make sure you are using liquid options. And then from there, I go to conditional and I hit add, price, SPY, stock. And what I'm doing here is I'm setting condition based on the price of this of SPY. So I wanted to get in as soon as SPY hit the 435 level. So what do we do? Well, we say once SPY is below 435.01, fill me right away, and I hit finish transmit. So as soon as SPY breaks that level, guys, I'm going to get filled. So that's the trick right there. So 1 penny above my entry level, so 435.01. As soon as it pierced, the market order goes out, and I was able to get filled, guys. And I really like this strategy and this style because I don't need to stare at the screen. I could set this up for swing trades over the weekend and just let it play out. So, for example, if I want to buy SPY next week at 4